about the kinds of information you could be sharing on these smart devices.
New smart TVs with internet connections able to transmit your private conversations.
TV experts say it could come with a hidden cost. Some smart TVs may be collecting data about what you watch and how you use the device.
As that new smart TV you got on Black Friday or Cyber Monday could actually be spying on you. The Bureau says it's the work of hackers.
By now, we all know that smart TVs spy on us and could cause security problems. That is why some people often turn off the Wi-Fi on their smart TVs and use an Apple TV, Kodi, or something else to replace their TV's operating system. Recently, I found another alternative that uses your old device as a set-top box with the use of Plasma Bigscreen. In this video, I'll be using KDE Neon for this, but other distros, although not all, do support Plasma Bigscreen. Anyways, after I downloaded the ISO, I flashed it onto my USB with Rufus, and immediately booted into it. Give me 1 second, let me just complete the users section. Alright, so the installer just finished. KDE Neon is booting up. Okay, that's good news. I've just made it into the login screen. Let me type out my password. Let me type out my password once more again. Okay, this is embarrassing. I think third time's the charm. Maybe this time I'll get the password right. Finally, I did it. I typed in the right password. Let me fly through this introduction process. Okay, now we're in Plasma Bigscreen. You know, I really like this UI interface. I mean GUI, sorry. And as you can see, smooth animations and no ads. Wait, I just realized there's two settings. Let me go into system settings first. This is just the normal KDE Plasma settings. Nothing special here. Let me just connect to the internet very quickly. After connecting to the internet, I just found out this thing has an on-screen keyboard. I do want to test this later. Now let me quit out of settings. And now as you can see, in the home screen, we now have another section called Recents. Anyways, let me see what's this other settings app we have. Oh, it's just a stripped down version of the original KDE Plasma settings. Okay, let me find console so I can install OBS Studio. forgot to update the package manager, my bad. Okay, now I can install OBS. Okay, now I have OBS installed. Okay, now I'm using OBS, so you guys should now have a clearer picture on what I'm seeing and what I'm gonna do now. Let me see where Discover is so I can show you how to install apps on the Plasma Bigscreen. Okay, so found Discover, let it load. There's a lot of packages you can install in Discover. Let me go through some categories. Let me see some themes. I don't think that Plasma Bigscreen supports themes, though I could be wrong. Anyways, let's install a package in Discover to test it. I was thinking like Chrome or maybe Chromium. Let's try Chrome. I don't know if Discover has Chrome. Yeah, I knew it. There's no Chrome in Discover, but there should be Chromium. There's Chromium. Now let's install it. Now with Chromium being installed, let's explore the GUI features that Plasma Bigscreen has to offer. There's a search tool that lets you search apps or any other files you might have, maybe even websites. Of course, there's KDE Connect that lets you control the Plasma Bigscreen with your device or upload files to it. There's probably other features you could do with KDE Connect. Anyways, there is quick settings. I do want to see what this settings... Okay, so this is just like simplified settings, nothing special. Oh wait, there is a on-screen keyboard. I think on-screen keyboard was something like special to Plasma Bigscreen, so I do want to test this out later. Okay, there's one more thing that I want to show you in the GUI, is that when you go back to the home screen, there's a pencil icon. If I click on this, I should be able to create a new section on the home screen called Favorites. So now I just have to select my apps that I want to be featured in the Favorites section. And as you can see, we now have a new section on the home screen called Favorites. Before I forget to mention, you could use your game controller to move around and, you know, do stuff in Plasma Bigscreen. I think you could use your game controller to activate the on-screen keyboard, but for now I'm gonna just mess around with the home screen. But I will try to use the on-screen keyboard, maybe when I'm in Chromium. Anyways, you are able to control your mouse pointer with your game controller when you press down on the right stick and move the right stick which moves your mouse pointer. Now back in the home screen and back in OBS, I am now gonna go into Chromium and try to use the on-screen keyboard that Plasma Bigscreen offers. Okay, now I am in Chromium, and I just connected my game controller. I have a text box selected and there's no on-screen keyboard popping up, so that's weird. And I found the problem. I somehow forgot to enable the on-screen keyboard. The on-screen keyboard should now pop up soon. Or maybe I might need to do other things in settings. 1 second. Okay, so everything looks normal. I'm just confused of why this is not, like, showing the on-screen keyboard. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I just can't get that on-screen keyboard to work. So again, call it quits. Okay, this is the end for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And please subscribe and leave a like. Thanks, and have a good day!